What's good up, about it's your boy MD in the gym, but not a gym video today. I'm going to be replacing the fuel door on the Mustang. So as you see here, bullet aluminum fuel door. This is black, not chrome. Let's get started. This is like one out of how many replacements we need to do. We already got the wheels done. Let's do it. Step one, let's loosen the door. Yeah, got one out. This isn't quite the right tool. I'm gonna go down the hill and get the right one. Should be able to get that out easier. Yeah, I need to take this one out, and then both of these, and then we can start on the new fuel cap. Let's move on. Okay, we're back. Got the right tool this time. So step one, make sure you have the right tools. Step two, let's get this door off. Let's move on. Okay, let's see what's enough. Guys, this is the old fuel cap door. It's the outside. This is the inside. I know it's dirty. Don't judge a man. Let's keep going. Guys, this is the new fuel cap door. Billet aluminum. But yeah, this is the new door. And it feels a lot more solid than that one, but it's just straight up thicker. I like the color, and when we're done with the color in this car, this ain't gonna be mineral gray. This is gonna match perfectly. So we got the bumpers out there. So now all we gotta do is put this on. Let's move on. So before I put this onto the car, I need to prepare the magnet. So let's move on. Bro, it's like so cold today that literally, is that enough? Yeah, I think it is. There we go. As I tried lining these up with the thing over here. When I do, the right side lines up perfectly. The problem is the left side, right? It's just over it a bit. So I'm just gonna move these two up just a tiny bit, and it should change the size, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, so I moved the screws a little bit over, and they line up slightly better, but the top left one is still, I'm still sickling to get it lined up properly. It's just a little off. So I think I'm just gonna drill that tiny bit, make that hole bigger. I got the magnet thing on there ready on the right side, and then hopefully we'll be good to go. Okay, so I had to drill the top left corner here, and then I finally could get it in. We just gotta tie it up now, and then we should be good. Milwaukee came in handy today, so let's get this thing tied up and let's move on. Okay, what's good, Uncle Butters? I have, and then top right, those are tightened now, so I need to do top left and bottom right. It's going to be the spiky one on first, and then this one after to tighten it. Let's move on. Okay, I think that. Yeah, I think I got it. So check this out, man. If there's anything we learned today, it's that there's no such thing as a little mod, all right? Little mods can be just as big as big mods. Everything I saw on YouTube and everything, man, told me that this was gonna be easy. The lady said 15-minute install, comes with the instructions as well. And I guess that, you know, it was like 1 out of 3 difficulty, and I guess that was just because she's talking about mechanics, man. You know what I mean? Like I'm an aspiring mechanic, and this was just, we got it done in the end. It was just harder than it needed to be, but I got the parts, got it on. Had a little bit of trouble with the top left hole, so we had to drill it. And then we compensated, you know, because that's what we do. But yeah, looks nice. So we got, what's this now? We got tires, 1. And we got gas cap, 2. Still got a bunch more to go, but it's starting to come together. So, I mean, I'm happy with the way that looks. Jeez. More parts over there. So, lots of work to be done, but hopefully everybody's having a great day. Peace.